how to get a YouTube Premium student discount. So if you want to get a YouTube Premium student discount, then first you just need to simply go with YouTube Premium page or YouTube Music Premium page. You can simply go with YouTube Premium under the search and then go with www.youtubepremium and premium, and here you will have this kind of interface. And once you get this kind of page, then you just need to simply click on the try 1 month for free, and then you'll choose family or student plan. So if you want the student discount, then you can simply choose the student plan and then go with confirm. And here it will give you this kind of interface which says you will be redirected to share ID to verify your student status. Information provided will be processed by share ID in accordance with their privacy policy. So you can simply go with continue option. And once you click on continue, now on the third step, you need to enter your information, like you need to fill in your country, university options. You need to enter your first and last name, the date of birth, email address, and check the box to agree for the verification process. So here you will have this kind of interface. So enter all of the information and then go with verify my student status, and then click on next, which will be on the bottom of your screen. So sometimes shared ID needs more information like a scan of your student ID, transcript, or other documentations from your university. Upload the files and click submit. YouTube says you will get an email notification about your status within 20 minutes if you live in the US, and within 48 hours if you live outside the US. So you will get this kind of interface. You can simply go with add under files for review, and once you've added the files, you need to simply click on submit. And if the verification is successful, share ID will redirect back to the YouTube Premium sign up page. You might need to log into your YouTube account and click on the profile picture and select paid memberships option and follow the on-screen prompt. So here you will have the profile picture under your YouTube. Go with the profile picture, go with the paid membership option, and then here you will have all of the options. Go with learn more, and then choose a payment method or add a new one. Just click on start 3-month trial, and after the first month YouTube will start billing you. So click on the 3-month trial and you'll be able to use your student discount. So in this way you will get a YouTube Premium student discount, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.